Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can open two Facebook accounts in a single browser. First of all, we can go here and search for SessionBox. This one is the Chrome extension that you can use, and you can open multiple Facebook accounts in your browser. Before that, you need to get this software. Here you can go and you can easily get this software for the Windows as well as for Mac operating system. Okay, I have downloaded. Then let me go back here. Then open this file. Now software is installed, and here we need to create a free account. Click here, create new account. Then accept terms and conditions and click on create account button. After creating account, you can go back, log in into your Google account. And then verify it. Scroll down, click here, verify email. Now email is verified. Here you can click on done. Now we need to install a Chrome extension. Here you can search for SessionBox Chrome extension, then press enter. You can get this extension from Chrome store. Click add to Chrome, then add extension. Then after that you can pin it at the top. Click here. After that, here we can open a Facebook account. Okay, this one is the one Facebook account. Now let's try to log in into another Facebook account. Click here and then allow it. Here you can add your profile. So before adding profile, let me type anything and then copy this link. After that, click here, then create profile. Add this link here, then click on create profile. Now complete this CAPTCHA verification, and after that again let me type here Facebook. Now here we can add another Facebook account detail. Guys, here you can see both of the Facebook accounts are open in this same browser. So you can easily use this SessionBox tool.